Welcome to Make Money Online in 2025. Today, we're diving into the booming freelance economy and how AI is shaping our future. Freelancers in 2025 are leveraging tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva to enhance their productivity and creativity. AI can streamline project management, allowing freelancers to focus on creativity rather than logistics. Enhance your client communication with AI chatbots and virtual assistants, making collaboration smoother than ever. AI-driven design tools are revolutionizing how freelancers create, allowing for stunning visuals with less effort. Automate your content creation with AI writing assistants, freeing up time for more strategic work. Use AI data analytics to analyze market trends and make informed decisions to boost your business. Maximize your productivity and time management through AI scheduling tools that help you prioritize effectively. When selecting AI tools, consider your specific needs and how each tool can enhance your workflow. Embrace AI technology for a more profitable career. The future of freelancing is here, and it's powered by AI.